Shilpi from MedDNA. Today we'll discuss how MedDNA can be used by ophthalmologists for the clinic management. We'll just see very briefly about various features and various modules of this software. So let's have a look at the appointment module first. We can see that here are 6 appointments right now: Akshay Kumar, Abhishek, Monali, Pritesh, Shilpi and Shona. And I want to change status of any of the patient's appointment. I can. The good thing here is whenever I book an appointment, whenever I cancel an appointment, whenever there's a follow-up of the patient, an SMS and email reminder is always sent to the patient. So patient is always in contact with the clinic, always in communication with the clinic through SMS and email. So right now I want to book a new appointment for my patient. Suppose patient name is Akshay. I want to book appointment for today at 7 p.m. Now this patient is going to go through cataract surgery and I want this patient to come after every 10 days for follow-up. So instead of giving appointment after every 10 days, why not I should give the appointment, all the 4 appointment at the same time. 23rd November he is going to come, 30th November again I want him to come. You can see 30th November also got added. Again I want patient to come in December 7th and on December 14th. And the time I click on the save, all these 4 appointments will get created for the patient. For Akshay Kumar, today's 4 appointment has been created. So an SMS and email will send to patient on all the 4 days that you have appointment today and come to the clinic. Isn't it very easy? Okay, let's have a look at how I can see the patient's history data all the time whenever patient is in front of me, and I have these all are my patients, and I want to see what was the past bill created for Dr. Akshay and what I had written about his eye problem in my last consultation. I can go in the patient tab. This is the patient list. Click on the patient name and see here. This page contains the previous data, previous vitals of the patient, previous appointments of the patient. In the previous EMR I had written something for the patient, like on this I had written something about his anterior segment and fundus, and some medicine I had written for my patient. I can see it here. I can see how much is due for this patient. Okay, 100 rupees is due. So it is going to be very useful for me to see history of my patients. Now let's go to the various interesting module, EMR module. These 6 appointments are in front of me and 4 are already complete. Now good thing about here is it's completely real time. My name is doctor here in software is Dr. Mayuri Raut, and the time I click on the consultation, status here is confirmed. But another doctor, like if 3-4 doctors are using this software at a time, assistant doctors, senior doctors, another doctor I have put it in a different tab. The same thing, can see that in consulting with Dr. Mayuri Raut, Monali Kole is in consulting with Dr. Mayuri Raut. So I can see that which doctor is talking to which patient. Isn't it very interesting that it's real time all the time? Okay, get back to EMR module again. It's divided into 3 sections: history, initial evaluation and doctor evaluation. And these are the data that doctor can fill: chief complaint, ophthalmic history, family history, systematic, pediatric. This thing is autocomplete. Either I can select from the list, or if I want to write something new of my own, I can write like test. The time I click here, the time I save this data, it will be available for me for the next time. Everything is the same here. Either I can select from the list or I write something new, it will get saved and it can be used for me next time. Let's go to initial evaluation. I can write any data. I want to write about torchlight. I can. I want to write about undilated, distance, NCT pressure, and unaided acceptance, or my spectacles. I can write here distance, near, refraction. Okay, Alright, good. Let's go to doctor evaluation. This all are the same thing. We can either write, select from the drop down, or I can write something of my own, which will be available to me next time. All this data can be entered, and I will show very interesting thing here is anterior segment and fundus. This image is clickable. I can click it. I want to draw something on it, like patient is having some bloody red spot here. I can mark it with the color. I can write a text that red spot, and I can place it here, red spot. Isn't it very interesting? Like, I can write on the image and I can draw something on the image. Same is with the fundus segment. You can draw anything on it with any color you want, and you can write anything on it. And the next interesting thing is tapering of the medicine, because ophthalmologists generally taper the medicine. You have to take a particular drop like 4 times a day for 10 days, then you have to take 3 times a day for 10 days, then you have to take 2 times a day for 10 days, and then once on a day for 10 days, and then you have to stop it. I'm going to show it here. This is a drop. Let's suppose my drop name is Decomic. I have to take it 4 times a day for 10 days. Then I have to take it 3 times a day for 10 days. Then I have to take this medicine twice a day for 10 days. And I have to take it once a day for 10 days. Add it. Prescription is ready. I want patient to again come to me after 10 days. 10 days, I can mention here, set a reminder for follow-up. As an SMS and email will be sent to patient, so they will come to know that I have to visit the clinic today. You can write anything, any data here. There's a workup sheet here of cataract and LASIK. You can write about the cataract and LASIK surgery of your patient. And once you are done with entering all the data, you want to take a printout, click on the print and click on complete. So whatever you wrote here came in the printout, will come in printout. Prescription is here. This will get saved for future use. Alright, I'm going to cancel the print right now. Okay, and now I'll just show very briefly. Now you can see that Monali Cole is complete. Now I will just show very briefly about the inventory module. If you are having your own pharmacy, or you are having some inventory in your clinic and you want to maintain its data, you can easily do it through inventory. I want to maintain data of 5 of my products. I can see here, like, red color shows that stock is low, and this is the complete stock information of my clinic. If I buy something, I will put it in a stock in. If I sell something, I will put it in a stock out. Same is with the billing. I want to generate bill for my patients. Like, suppose I want to generate bill of Alocitair. Here, patient name is Monali Cole. I just added the product from here left hand side and click on the print. This will be the printout, and you can give it to your patient. This module have various other features. You can track the due of every patient. If patient is paying the same amount, like amount multiple times, like in 4 or 5 sittings, you can mention that complete data in this billing module. So you just need to explore and see it. So isn't it very easy? And don't you think that Mediany can make your clinic work very easy? Yeah, it can. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Stay tuned for more.